welcome to my channel. My name is Kathy, and today I made this berry look, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Please keep on watching. I'll be with you in a minute. Thank you. This is how it looks. This is what I look like without makeup. I'm going to prepare my face now, prep it. I'm going to put my foundation on, and I'm going to contour my face. As you can see, I have a lot of freckles all over, so I'm gonna be using a full coverage foundation, and it's matte, but I'm gonna use a primer that's gonna make my skin glow because it has a glowy texture. So I'll be right back to create this look. I already have my transition color on because I got impatient. So this is the Blushing Berries palette. I got this last month in October, Boxycharm box subscription, and these are the colors. I'm gonna be using all of them in this look. This was the transition color I used. I blended it very well. Now I'm gonna be using this berry color, and this is the most beautiful color in the palette, I think. So I'm gonna be using with a medium-sized blending brush. Guys, you should see my previous videos. This is my 5th video so far, and this is a new channel. I would like you guys to subscribe because I want to lose 50 pounds. I already lost 25, and I feel very happy and excited about it. But I am more excited about the idea of losing 50 more. And the reason why I'm doing it is because I want to feel great about myself. I want to feel like I accomplished something. I want to feel younger. But something else that's going on is that my daughter, my oldest daughter, is getting married in 2020 on December, and I want to look my best for the wedding. I'm gonna be the mother of the bride, but I don't want to look like the mother of the bride because, you know, I want to wear a sexy dress, maybe backless if possible, tight. I'm gonna go in with a clean brush and blend the outer areas. Yesterday I got my November Boxycharm box, and it also came with a eyeshadow palette. So I want to create a look for you guys with that one. So subscribe so you can see what I come up with. So now I'm gonna go with my outer crease color, which is this one over here, this darker one. Well, this is the darkest, no, the black one is the darkest one in the palette, but I'm gonna be using this as my crease color, and I'll use the black one later. I'll show you how. So I'll tap the brush. If any of you guys have hooded lids, I suggest that you use the tiniest brush possible that you can find. And always feel over here, feel where you have your bone. And that's where the eyeshadow should go. I think this is called the orbital bone. Let's blend, 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 blend. to check to see. Look back a little bit. This is all new to me because I was never used to doing my makeup on camera. So if I make a little mistakes, guys, please forgive me. Now I'm gonna go on the other eye. I think this is a beautiful look, even for the holidays that are coming. Like, tell me, guys, if you don't think that this year went by fast. 2019. It was like it felt like it was like, I think the year went by in 6 months. Feels like 6 months passed, and it's a year already. Now we have to get ready for Christmas. And buying gifts for the people that we love. Like, I want to come up with some nice looks for you guys for the holidays. Let me see how this is looking. This side is blended well, but I have to blend this side more. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the lightest color in the palette, which is this one. And I'm gonna apply that on my lid. To brighten this area over here. I like this eyeshadow. On the other side. I'm hot, guys, because I live in New York City and it's kind of chilly outside, but the heat they're giving in the building is woof, caliente. So I have to keep my windows open. It gets so hot, but at least they give heat here. So that's it for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with my ink blot eyeliner, and I'm gonna line. I'm not gonna do a wing liner, but I'm gonna line my lash line. Now on the other eye. Guys, this side is so challenging for me. Doing the left side. Like, the right side is a breeze for me. Later on, when I learn how to edit better, I'm gonna fast forward. So for now, you get to hang out longer with me. Isn't that great? Okay, this this is how it's looking so far. So now I'm gonna go with a pencil brush and get the eyeshadow again, and I'm gonna use the beautiful color right here, my favorite one, and put it under. Now I'm gonna take the black color, this one. They don't have a name, so I'm just calling it the black one. And apply it closer to my lash line to darken it up a bit. Smoke it out. Okay, I'm done with that. And the last thing, I'm gonna use a black eyeliner, a pencil black eyeliner on my waterline. Right here, this is the Mary Kay. Like I said in my previous videos, I used to sell Mary Kay, so I have a bunch of Mary Kay cosmetics. Okay, that's it. My eyes are done. Oh wait, they're not done. I have to put my eyelashes on. That's right, I'm gonna have to pause the video. I'll be back with my eyelashes on and we're gonna be done in a jiffy. Okay guys, I'm back. I have my eyelashes on. If you've seen my previous videos, you would know that these lashes are my own brand. They're called Lav Lash and you can find them in Amazon. Right now I'm wearing the style Diamante, which means diamond in English. Diamante is in Spanish and diamond is in English. You see that they're very flared on the end. And I wear them, I swear, up to like 15 times or more. You take care of them. When I put glitter eyeshadow on, the glitter gets on the eyelashes, but you can clean them up. So what I'm gonna do right now is put lipstick on. Yes, like on my previous videos, if you guys know me already, you know that I like to overline my lips. I'm using the Mary Kay medium nude lip liner. Guys, down in the comments, write down what you want. Look, I'm mumbling on you. Write down what you want to see me do. Because I need ideas since this is a new channel. This channel is for everybody, all ages, especially older women. I don't consider myself to be old. I have said my age in other videos, but I'm not gonna say it right now. I'll let you guys guess. Well, you know that I have a daughter that's getting married, so oh guys, I'm wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills. This beautiful lipstick, the name is Trust. And the sweater I'm wearing, I got it in Amazon. And I'll show you in a second how cute it is. Like, I'm an Amazon junkie. I'm gonna make videos about all the things I buy on Amazon. Like, the guy downstairs in the lobby, he always knows that I go every day to pick something up that I got from Amazon. Every day is like Christmas to me. I have to stop spending money. I really do. Okay, I think, let me see how that looks. Okay. This is it for lipstick. So let's do our little finishing touches. I'm gonna wear some BH Cosmetics Amazon $9.99 blushes. I'm gonna use this color right here. Make sure it's blended. And last but not least, highlighter. I'm gonna use my fan brush. This is the Huda Beauty Golden Sands edition. I'm gonna wear this pinky highlighter over here. I got this from an Ipsy bag. That was the first month that they started their glam bag, because Ipsy used to be like sample size products before, but now they have full size products. I like Boxycharm better than Ipsy though. But since I'm gonna be making videos, I need to have as much makeup and stuff as possible. And you know how we women are. We never can have enough makeup. So I'm going to put some on my inner corners. A little bit more. There. And over here, under my eyebrow. Okay, this look is complete. So guys, I said I was gonna show you how cute this sweater is. Look, you could wear it like this. It's baggy. Look. Or you could wear it like this, or like this. It's very oversized, so I got a medium. Hopefully when I lose weight, I'm gonna be able to wear it, 'cause it's a baggy sweater, so it's gonna look nice anyway. I can wear it with leggings. I like it like this. So that's it, guys. I had a great time with you. Please like and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be seeing each other more and more. Thank you. I love you, and God bless you. Mwah. Bye for now.